Hi, my name is Tomahawk, and today I'm going to be making miso-glazed salmon. The first step of all cooking is to wash your hands. I've already done it. First, let's make the marinade. You will need 2 tablespoons of miso paste, 1 tablespoon sake, and 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1/4 of a tablespoon sesame oil. Now you mix it all together. Now you put in your salmon. Then you use your spoon to spoon the marinade onto the salmon. After that, you put your salmon in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. While it's marinating, let's get started on your rice. Grate the ginger with what's called a microplane, which is basically a mini grater. Now you measure your rice. Rinse your rice until the water runs clear. Now put it in the rice cooker. Add half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon sake, half a tablespoon mirin, and a pinch of salt. Add water up to the amount that your rice packet called for. Now put all your liquids into the rice cooker with the rice. And put the ginger into the rice cooker. Now put on the lid and turn on your rice cooker. rice is cooking, let's do our slicing. Chop the green onion for garnish. Now chop your zucchini and squash. Turn the oven on to broil. Now put a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet. Now get your salmon and put it onto the parchment paper. Now, use a brush to brush any lumps of miso off of the salmon. Broil it for 10 minutes. Now, let's saute our zucchini and squash. First, heat a little oil in the pan. Now, you put your squash in the pan. Our salmon is done. Let's press the off button. My heat might be too hot, so I'm going to turn it down. My mom thinks this recipe is better than any other kind of salmon she orders in restaurants. Move the ones that are already cooked to the edges and the ones that are still raw to the middle, because there's more heat there. When they're almost ready, you can add a little soy sauce and then move it around so they're all coated in soy sauce. Now, let's serve it up. Now garnish with white and black sesame seeds and green onion. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!